So today I'll be showing you how to connect an external hard drive to your OnePlus 15. Now most of these external hard drives, especially these traditional ones, have the USB-A port. And so to be able to connect to your OnePlus 15, you do need an OTG adapter like this one with a Type-C connector. So connect the hard drive to the adapter and then the adapter to the Type-C port of your OnePlus 15. Now you might need to go to Settings. So go to Settings on your OnePlus 15 and then go to Accessibility and Convenience. Tap on that and then scroll all the way down and you should see OTG connection. You might need to enable that, okay, if it's not enabled. Now I'm gonna start by unplugging this, turning that on, and then re-plugging it back in. Okay, so it's on right now. So that means the hard disk will now be detected and it may pop up the My Files app. In case it doesn't automatically pop up, just launch this app and then you'll have OTG and then you have access to your hard drive. Now, this particular hard drive is partitioned into two separate partitions, and that's why you can see the two different partitions, and I can access any, look at the files and folders inside, and then go back and access the other one as well. All right. So that is basically how to access or how to connect an external hard drive to your OnePlus 15. Now, if you want to, you can also transfer files and folders to and from, and it's basically as simple as navigating between the internal storage and the external storage, which is OTG. Thanks for watching and good luck.